Are you truly here? Please, will you be serious according to my definition of what it is to be serious, please? And check it in your own experience. To be serious is to be immediately and continuously attentive, to be listening in your own experience, not in some second-hand experience, which is all that you've read and heard before. You must listen new. Otherwise, you're old, and I cannot communicate to you because you don't want me to, and I can't penetrate the old in you. So please, be new, be now, be attentive, and listen in your own experience, because I may say something that's not the truth, and that's intolerable to the truth. And you've got to keep checking everything in your own experience. For only what is in your experience is in the truth for you. Everything else is imagination and hoping and wishing, except when I speak to you, there is something that may not be in your immediate experience, but it will have the ring of truth in it, the sound of truth. And you will know that by listening with your whole body, which is what it is to listen with your own experience, your whole body, and not just to listen with your silly, conditioned, judgmental, and selective mind. The mind is the only burden on man and woman. Nothing else. Nothing else is the burden but the mind, which comes out of the emotions. Now, immediacy is a sure sign of reality. So when I ask you to be here immediately, you are as close to consciousness as you can be when you are immediate. So I want to speak again about the only two things in your entire existence which are real. Because nothing else in your existence is real. Your mother and father are not real. Your children are not real. Your job is not real. Your lover is not real. Your house and nothing that you possess, your car, nothing is real in this existence. But I show you what is real in this existence, which is the rarest thing that can ever be done for you. That's why I ask you to be as attentive, as serious as you can be. Because it is not easy to hear what is new, what is immediate, and what is real. And it's certainly not easy to apply that. So I've dismissed the whole of existence as being unreal. Nothing is worthwhile except the whole of existence is worthwhile. The whole of it. Not what you're doing, not what you've built, not your bank account. Nothing, it's all partial. But the whole of existence has an integrity which is beyond our comprehension. Not the little parts, they just contribute to the whole. But we seem to live as though it was real what we are doing, what we're building. But it is a relative reality, your daily living life and mine. It's only a relative reality in relation to sense perception. It's not real because it's going to disappear, and every person that you love, including your own body, is going to die. And anything that dies can't be real. Now, there is a thing called a pure intelligence. It is very, very rare on this planet. That's why it's called pure intelligence and not just intelligence. Because intelligence, as I've said, is what everybody is using out there in the university, and all the professors, and all the scientific gentlemen, and all the computer operators, and programmers, and whatever they call it. They're all intelligent, but they're not pure intelligence. So everything that they do will pass away. Nothing will continue the same. Even as the scientists have discovered, they were so sure. They were so sure, although I've been telling them differently for 20 years, they were so sure that there was nothing could exceed the speed of light. Well, now I hear that something has happened where they think that something might be able to go faster than the speed of light, which just shows how slow they are. Because my consciousness is faster than the speed of light, and so is the consciousness of the realized truth of God. That's why it's so rare too. And that's intelligence, pure intelligence, not just intelligence that understands and that learns. So there's pure intelligence. Then there is pure sensation. Now, pure sensation must not be confused with false sensation. I'll describe the difference to you. All emotions, all feelings are false sensation. They move in a certain way, emotions and feelings. They're moving in a certain way. And they can give the impression that they are sensation. And you could think or surmise that when you are practicing this of putting your pure intelligence on sensation, you could draw